Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Everago. Thank you very much for clicking on my video. If you're not part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get updated with all my videos. And if you like my video, give this video a thumbs up. So basically, as you can see, I've got this very long 30 inches wig with me. So I have hair appointment, so my client, she gave me this wig to install for her. So I'm just going to customize the wig and bleach the lace. It's a frontal lace, so I'm going to bleach it and get this wig ready for my client before her appointment. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and don't forget to join the family.
Tell him this, did he miss? Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior want to not be on my Junior want to not be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior want to not be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior want to not be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, all summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it. Junior want to not want to not be on my 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is down to, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my Q's and P's. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a screenshot.
Morning guys, good morning, hello everyone. Sorry, today is Saturday, 4th of February. Currently I just woke up and it's 12:30. Well, I didn't just wake up now, I woke up about 10, so I just had to like feed the baby and sort my kids out for their morning breakfast. So I'm just downstairs now, I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen before I start my day. I just hope I'm able to do everything today because it's really stressful for me having 2 kids and having to manage the house and manage my appointments and my business. It's really difficult and stressful, but yeah, thank God. My baby girl, my newborn, she's sleeping right now, so I'm just gonna take the opportunity to do a quick cleanup of the house and move on to other stuff. So I'll see you guys.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right in the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you
Oh, this
So guys, I've had my shower, kids are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup very quick and get dressed, but I'm going for a very simple look. I'm just gonna do my makeup in less than 10 minutes because I don't have time. I need to get my newborn ready. I've dressed my older daughter. She's already dressed and she's ready to go. So I've already showered. I've done my hair. My hair is done. So I've got my makeup kit here. I'm gonna start doing my makeup right now. And yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Yeah. You make a like, now you not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a crisis. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and
just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You send me out there, work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my church.
Yeah.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we.
Top is looking on fleek. I am ready to go, but my baby's crying. So I need to go attend to her. But yeah, I'm loving how my makeup came out. Period. How cute do I look? Period.
Wheels